Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today our special topic is we are continuing with the series of rare collections of Anushtup Stotras on Lord Sri Mahaganapati. So in the earlier video I have given you 5 rare and wonderful stotras, Anushtup Stotras on Lord Sri Ganesha. Here also in this video 2 in this series, I will give 5 to 6 more stotras, rare, wonderful Anushtup stotras on Lord Sri Ganesha. So here I go. First one, Namata Shesha Vighnau Ghavaranam Varananam Karanam Sarvasiddhinam Duritarnavataranam. I repeat again. Namata Shesha Vighnau Ghavaranam Varananam Karanam Sarvasiddhinam Duritarnavataranam. So in the upcoming videos I will be giving the verbatim meanings for all these stotras. So moving on, the second stotra is Alambe Jagadalambam Lambodarapadambujam Shushyanti Yatra Jasparshat Sadyah Pratyuhavardhayaha. I repeat again. Alambe Jagadalambam Lambodarapadambujam Shushyanti Yatra Jasparshat Sadyah Pratyuhavardhayaha. These are beautiful stotras with wonderful alliterations and wonderful, equally wonderful meanings. So moving on, the third stotra in this video series is equal to Yannirgunam Param Brahma Tadetat Sagunam Babhau Vinayakasvarupena Brahma Vishnu Shivatmakam. I recite this again. Yannirgunam Param Brahma Tadetat Sagunam Babhau Vinayakasvarupena Brahma Vishnu Shivatmakam. This is a wonderful stotra again, beautiful in its meaning. So moving on, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 stotras we have covered. Fourth stotra. Chinmayasya Dvitiyasya Nirgunasya Sharirine Upasanaya Karyartham Brahmano Rupa Kalpana. This shloka explains how the formless God transforms himself into a form, so that it will be easy for devotees to worship him. So that is a wonderful meaning. So I repeat this shloka again. Chinmayasya Dvitiyasya Nirgunasya Sharirine Upasanaya Karyartham Brahmano Rupa Kalpana. So moving on, fifth shloka. This shloka gives a different meaning, different but wonderful meaning for the word Ganesha. Ganesha etymology. So that is it. I will recite this shloka for you. Nanarthavachako gascha nascha nirvanavachakaha tayorisham param brahma Ganeshaya namo namaha. I recite this wonderful shloka again. Nanarthavachako gascha nascha nirvanavachakaha tayorisham param brahma Ganeshaya namo namaha. So these are beautiful, wonderful stotras. I have recited these stotras. In the next upcoming video, we will take up these stotras one by one again and deal with the verbatim meanings for them. This will be wonderful. So we will continue with this series. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Tipi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony Channel 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.